Okay, students, good morning. Today we do some question from class 8. Vedanta Excel in Mathematics, Algebra, exercise 9.4, page 128. Today's topic is factorization of expressions having the difference of two squared terms. Let's start from question number 1. Let's say and write the following expressions is the product of their factors. Now resolution. Here expressions product of factors. The first is m square minus n square. This equal to m plus n, m minus n. Next, on B, m square minus 4. This equal to m square minus 2 square, that is m plus 2, m minus 2. Next, C, x square minus y square. This equal to x plus y, x minus y. Next, on D, x square minus 9. This equal to x square minus 3 square. This is x plus 3, x minus 3. On E we have p square minus 16. This equal to p square minus 4 square. Equal to p plus 4, p minus 4. On F, 4x square minus 1 is equal to 2x whole square minus 1 whole square. That is 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Next, G, 9y square minus 4 is equal to 3y whole square minus 2 whole square. That is 3y plus 2, 3y minus 2. Next on S, p square minus 49. This equal to p square minus 7 square. P plus 7, p minus 7. On I, a square minus 1 by 4 is equal to a whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. A plus 1 by 2, a minus 1 by 2. On J, we have b square minus 1 by 9 is equal to b whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square. That is b plus 1 by 3, b minus 1 by 3. Okay, students, now we go to question number 2. Let's say and write the differences into here. Let's say and write the differences of these squares square numbers. As quickly as possible. Now let's also on A we have 10 square minus 9 square. Is equal to 10 plus 9, 10 minus 9. 10 plus 9, 19. 10 minus 9, 1. So 19. On B, 7 square minus 5 square is equal to 7 plus 5 into 10 minus 5. 7 plus 5, 12 into 7 minus 5, 2. 12 to the 24. On C, 21 square minus 20 square equal to 21 plus 20 into 21 minus 20. 21 plus 20, that is 41, into 21 minus 21, that is 41. On D, 50 square minus 41 is 49 square equal to 50 plus 49 into 50 minus 49. 50 plus 49, that is 99. 50 minus 49, 1. That is 99. On E, 20 square minus 10 square equal to 20 plus 10, 20 minus 10. 20 plus 10, 30. 20 minus 10, 10. 30 10 the 300. On F we have 40 square minus 30 square. 40 plus 30, 40 minus 30. 40 plus 30, 70 into 40 minus 30, 10 equal to 700. Now, students, we'll go to next question. Question number 3. On 3, let's resolve into factors. Resolution. On A we have x square minus 36. This is equal to x square minus 6 square. X plus 6, x minus 6. On B, a square minus 49. A square minus 7 square. A plus 7, a minus 7. On C, 25 minus y square. 5 square minus y square. 5 plus y, 5 minus y. On D we have 16 minus 81p square. This is equal to 4 square minus 9p whole square. That is 4 plus 9p, 4 minus 9p. On E we have x cube minus 16x. Taking x common, then remaining x square minus 16, that equal to x square minus 4 square. This equal to x plus 4, x minus 4. On F we have 2a square minus 72. Taking 2 common, remaining a square minus 36. This is equal to 2 times a square minus 6 square equal to 2 times a plus 6 a minus 6. On G, 5p cube minus 80p. 5p cube minus 80p. Taking 5p common, remaining 3 square minus 16. 5p times p square minus 4 square. 5p times p plus 4, p minus 4. On H, we have 3y cube minus 27y. 3y cube minus 27y. Taking 3y common, remaining y square minus 9. 3y times y square minus 3 square. 3y times y plus 3, y minus 3. Next, on I, we have 5a cube minus 20 ab square. 5a cube minus 20 ab square. Taking 5a common, remaining a square minus 4b square. 5a into a whole square minus 2b whole square. 5a times a plus 2b into a minus 2b. On J, 8x to the power 5y, 8x to the power 5y minus 18x cube y cube. 18x cube y cube. And this we are taking 2x cube y common, then remaining 4x square minus 9y square. This is equal to 2x cube y into 2x whole square minus 3y whole square, making a square minus b square form. Then this equal to 2x cube y into 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y. On K, we have 25x square minus 1 by 49. 25x square minus 1 by 49. This equal to 5x whole square minus 1 by 7 whole square. This equal to 5x plus 1 by 7 into 5x minus 1 by 7. Now, we have 1 by 4x square minus 1 by 81. 1 by 4x square minus 1 by 81 is equal to 1 by 2x whole square minus 1 by 9 whole square. Now this equal to 1 by 2x plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 2x minus 1 by 9. Okay, students, now we go to question number 4. On 4, the question is, let's factorize. Now its solution. Solution here for A. On u we have x to the power 4 minus 16. This is equal to x square whole square minus 4 whole square. This is equal to x square plus 4 x square minus 4. Again this is equal to x square plus 4 x square minus 4 again can be factorized. So x square minus 2 square. Then this is equal to x square plus 4 into x plus 2 into x minus 2. On b we have a to the power 4 minus 81. This is equal to a square whole square minus 9 whole square. A square plus 9 a square minus 9 a square plus 9 a square minus 3 square a square plus 9 a plus 3 a minus 3. On C we have x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. This is equal to x square whole square minus y square whole square equal to x square plus y square x plus y x square minus y square. This is equal to x square plus y square x plus y into x minus y. On D we have 16 to the power 4 minus q to the power 4. 16 to the power 4 minus q to the power 4. This is equal to 4p square y square minus q square y square. This is equal to 4p square plus q square into 4p square minus q square. This is equal to 4p square plus q square, that is 2p whole square minus q whole square. Now this is equal to 4p square plus q square, 2p plus q into 2p minus q. Now for E we have 81 x to the power 4 minus 625. This is equal to 9x square whole square minus 25 whole square. This is equal to 9x square plus 25 into 9x square minus 25. This is equal to 9x square plus 25 into 3x whole square minus 5 whole square. This is equal to 9x square plus 25 into 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5. On F we have 22y to the power 4 minus 162. Now taking common, I can take 2 common, then 16y to the power 4 minus 81. This is equal to 2 times 16y to the power 4, that is 4y square whole square. 81, that is 9 whole square. Now this is equal to 2 times 4y square plus 9 and 4y square minus 9. Now this is equal to 2 times 4y square plus 9 into 2y whole square minus 3 whole square. Now this equal to 2 times 4y square plus 9, 2y plus 3, 2y minus 3. Now for g, on g we have a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8. This is equal to a to the power 4 whole square minus b to the power 4 whole square, equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Then this equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a to the power 4, that is a square whole square minus b to the power 4 b square whole square, equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Now this equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Now for x, 256 x to the power 8 minus y to the power 8 is equal to 16 x to the power 4 whole square minus y to the power 4 whole square is equal to 16 x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 into 16 x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 is equal to 16 x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 into 4x square whole square minus y square whole square equal to 16x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 into 4x square plus y square into 4x square minus y square. This is equal to 16 x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 into 4x square plus y square into 2x whole square minus y whole square. Now this is equal to 16x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 into 4x square plus y square into 2x plus y into 2x minus y. This is the factorized form. Okay students, now we go to question number 5. 5 also let's factorize. On question number 5 we have also let's factorize. On a minus b whole square minus 9 is equal to a minus b whole square minus 3 whole square. This is equal to a minus b plus 3 into a minus b minus 3. A square minus b square 2, so using formula a plus b, a minus b. On b we have x plus y whole square minus 25 is equal to x plus y whole square minus 5 whole square. This is equal to x plus y plus 5 into x plus y minus 5. On c we have a square plus b square whole square minus 4 is equal to a square plus b square whole square minus 2 whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into a square plus b square minus 2. On D we have a square minus b square whole square minus a square b square is equal to a square minus b square whole square minus ab whole square is equal to a square minus b square plus ab into a square minus b square minus ab. This is equal to a square plus ab minus b square into a square minus ab minus b square. Now for a, we have 16 minus x plus y whole square is equal to 4 whole square minus x plus y whole square is equal to 4 plus x plus y into 4 minus x plus y is equal to 4 plus x plus y into 4 minus x minus into plus again minus y. On F we have 49 minus a minus b whole square. 49 minus a minus b whole square. This is equal to 7 whole square minus a minus b whole square. This is equal to 7 plus a minus b into 7 minus a minus b. This is equal to 7 plus a minus b into 7 minus a minus into minus plus b. For G. On G we have x plus 3 whole square minus y plus 2 whole square. X plus 3 whole square minus y plus 2 whole square. This is equal to x plus 3 plus y plus 2 into x plus 3 minus y plus 2 is equal to x plus 3 plus y plus 2 into x plus 3 minus into plus minus y minus into plus minus 2 is equal to x plus y 3 plus 2 5 x minus y 3 minus 2 plus 1. For S we have a minus 5 whole square minus b minus 4 whole square. This is equal to a minus 5 plus b minus 4 into a minus 5 minus b minus 4. A minus 5 plus b minus 4 into a minus 5 minus b minus 4. This is equal to a minus 5 plus b minus 4 into a minus 5 minus into b minus into minus plus 4. This is equal to a plus b minus 5 minus 4, that is minus 9. A minus b minus 5 plus 4, that is minus 1. This is the factorized form. Okay students, now we go to question number 6. On question number 6, let's resolve into factors. A, we have x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. This is equal to taking first and last terms. We can add x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. First and last putting together. And middle term here x square y square. Now x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. From this making a square plus b square from x to the power 4 is x square y square. Y to the power 4 is y square y square. It makes a square plus b square from. Then x square y square. Now we have the formula of a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Another is a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. We can use this formula now. A square plus b square, that's equal to x square plus y square, a plus b whole square. Using this one, a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here x square plus y square whole square minus 2. A is x square, b is y square. Remaining term plus x square y square same. This equal to x square plus y square whole square. Negative 2 x square y square positive 1, so remaining minus x square y square. This equal to x square plus y square whole square minus, that is x square y square, that is x y whole square. It goes to a square minus b square from now. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Again we can use this formula. So x square plus y square plus xy into x square plus y square minus xy. This is equal to x square plus xy, writing in middle position, plus y square. Similarly x square minus xy plus y square. This is the factorized form. Now your next question for B. On B we have x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to, from first and last putting together, x to the power 4 plus 1 plus x square. X to the power 4 is x square whole square. 1 is 1 whole square plus x square, which makes a square plus b square form. Now we can use formula a plus b whole square minus 3ab. So here a x square plus b 1 x whole square minus 2 dot a x square b 1 plus remaining term x square is equal to x square plus 1 whole square minus 2x square plus x square, remaining minus x square. Is equal to x square plus 1 whole square minus x square is x whole square. Now it goes to a square minus b square from using formula a plus b minus b. So x square plus 1 plus x and x square plus 1 minus x. And writing x in the middle position, we can get x square plus x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1. This is the factorized form. Now for C. On C we have x to the power 4 plus 7x square y square plus 16y to the power 4. Now writing first and last together, x to the power 4 plus 16y to the power 4 plus 7x square y square. X to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16y to the power 4, that is 16y to the power 4 plus 7x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is 16 y to the power 4 plus 7 x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y square. 16 y to the power 4, that is x square y s 4y square whole square plus 7x square y square. Now it makes a square plus b square form. So using formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So x square plus 4y square its whole square minus 2 dot a, that is x square, dot b, that is 4 y square plus 7 x square y square. Now this equal to x square plus 4y square whole square. Negative 2 for the 8, negative 8 positive 7, remaining negative 1, so minus x square y square is remaining. This equal to x square plus 4y square whole square minus xy whole square. This is a square minus b square form. So applying formula a plus b a minus b. So we can write x square plus 4y square plus xy into x square plus 4y square minus xy. Now putting xy in middle position, we can get x square plus xy plus 4y square. Similarly, x square minus xy plus 4y square. This is the factorized form. Now for D. On D we have a to the power 4 minus 7a square b square plus b to the power 4. This equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 7 a square b square. A to the power 4 is a square whole square. B to the power 4 is b square whole square minus 7a square b square. Now it makes a square plus b square form. So applying formula again, right? A square plus b square whole square minus 2 dot a square dot b square minus 7a square b square. This equal to a square plus b square whole square minus 2 minus 7 minus 9 a square b square. This equal to a square plus b square whole square minus 9, that is 3 square. So 3ab whole square for 9a square b square. Now it goes to a square minus b square form. So using formula a plus b, a minus b. You can write a square plus b square plus 3ab into a square plus b square minus 3ab. Now putting 3ab in the middle position, you can get a square plus 3ab plus b square into a square minus 3ab plus b square. This is the factorized form. Now for E. On E we have a to the power 4 plus 6a square b square plus 25 b to the power 4. This equal to the power 4 plus 25 b to the power 4 plus 6a square b square. A to the power 4, that is a square whole square. 25 b to the power 4, that is 5 b square whole square, making a square plus b square form, plus remaining term 6a square b square. Now this equal to a square plus b square from using formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a square plus 5b square whole square minus 2 dot a square dot 5b square plus 6a square b square. Then this equal to a square plus 5b square whole square minus 5 to the 10, negative 10, positive 6, remaining negative 4, so minus 4 a square b square. This equal to a square plus 5b square whole square minus 4a square b square, that is 2ab whole square. Now this equal to a square minus b square form. So using formula a plus b minus b. A square plus 5b square plus 2ab into a square plus 5b square minus 2ab. Now writing 2ab in middle position, we can get a square plus 2ab plus 5b square into a square minus 2ab plus 5b square. Okay students, now we go to next question. That is nothing, that was 6. Yeah. Now we go 16. On 16 we have x to the power 4 minus 3x square y square plus 9y to the power 4. This is equal to x to the power 4 plus 9y to the power 4 minus 3x square y square. Adding degree 4 terms together. Now x to the power 4, that is x square whole square plus 9y to the power 4, that is 3y square whole square minus 3x square y square. Then this equal to a square plus b square form. So applying formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b square minus 2x. So x square plus 3y square is whole square minus 2 dot x square dot 3y square minus 3x square y square. Now this equal to x square plus 3y square whole square minus 2, 3 is 6, minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, so minus 9 x square y square. This equal to x square plus 3y square is whole square minus 9x square y square, that is 3xy whole square. Now this is a square minus b square form using formula a plus b minus b. So x square plus 3y square plus 3xy into x square plus 3y square minus 3xy. Now putting 3xy in middle position, we can get x square plus 3xy plus 3y square into x square minus 3xy plus 3y square. This is the factorized form. Now we go to the next question. For G. On G we have 4x to the power 4 plus 3x square y square plus 9y to the power 4. Putting degree 4 terms together, we can get 4x to the power 4 plus 9y to the power 4 plus 3x square y square. Now 4x to the power 4, that is 2x square whole square. 9y to the power 4, that is 3y square whole square plus 3x square y square. Now equals to a square plus b square form. So applying formula 3x square plus 3y square whole square minus 2 dot 2x square dot 3y square plus 3x square y square. Now this equal to 2x square plus 3y square is whole square minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, minus 12 plus 3, remaining minus 9. So minus 9x square y square. This equal to 2x square plus 3y square whole square minus 9x square y square, that is 3xy whole square. Now this is a square minus b square form. A plus b minus b. So 3x square plus 3xy plus 3y square. A plus b. Writing b in the middle position. Into a minus b. So 2x square minus 3xy plus 3y square A minus B. Writing B directly in the middle position to make the shortcut. Now for else. On else we have 25x to the power 4 plus 4x square y square plus 4y to the power 4. Now taking degree for terms together. 25x to the power 4 plus 4y to the power 4 plus 4x square y square. Then this equal to 25x to the power 4, that is 5x square whole square. 4y to the power 4, that is 2y square whole square remaining plus 4x square y square. That is same. Now this is a square plus b square from applying its formula. So 5x square plus 2y square its whole square minus 2 dot 5x square dot 2y square plus 4x square y square. Now 5x square plus 2y square its whole square. Negative 2, 5, 10, 10 to the 20, minus 20 plus 4, remaining minus 16, so minus 16 x square y square is equal to 5x square plus 2y square is whole square. 16 that is 4 square, so it is 4xy whole square. Now it goes to a square minus b square form, so using formula a plus b minus b. 5x square plus 4xy plus 2y square. Writing b direct in the middle position, a plus b. Similarly 5x square minus 4xy plus 2y square, a minus b. Now next question for I. On I we have 4a to the power 4 minus 13a square b square plus 9b to the power 4. Now putting degree for terms together, 4a to the power 4 plus 9b to the power 4 minus 13a square b square. 4a to the power 4, that is 2a square whole square. 9b to the power 4, that is 3b square whole square minus 13a square b square. This is a square plus b square form. So apply formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So we can write 2a square plus 3b square is whole square minus 2 dot 2a square dot 3b square minus 13 a square b square. This is equal to 2a square plus 3b square is whole square. Now negative 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, minus 12 minus 13, it becomes minus 25 a square b square. This is equal to 2a square plus 3b square is whole square minus 25 a square b square, that is 5ab whole square. Now it goes to a square minus b square form. Using formula a plus b minus b. Putting b directly in the middle position, so you can write 2a square plus 5ab plus 3b square, a plus b, and 2a square minus 5ab plus 3b square, a minus b. Okay students, now we go to question number 7. On 7, let's simplify by factorization process. Now solution here. On A we have 25 square minus 15 square is equal to 25 plus 15, 25 25 minus 15 using formula a plus b minus b. A plus b, a minus b. 25 plus 15, that is 40. 25 minus 15, that is 10. 40 into 10, 400. On B, 64 square minus 44 square is equal to 64 plus 44, a plus b. 64 minus 44, a minus b. Now 64 plus 44, 100, 8, 64 minus 44, that is 20. 108 to the 200, 16 and 0. That is the answer. On C, 96 square minus 86 square is equal to 96 plus 86 into 96 minus 86 is equal to 6 plus 6, 12, 2, carry over 1, 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1, 18, 182 into 96 minus 86, 10. So this is equal to 1820. Now on D, we have 101 whole square minus 100 square. Is equal to 101 plus 100 into 101 minus 100. 101 plus 100, that is 200. 1 into 101 minus 100, 1. That is 201. On E, 51 minus 49. 51 into 49 is equal to 50 plus 1, 49. 50 minus 1. Making A minus B, A plus B comes to 50 plus 1, 50 square minus 1 square. 50 square is 2500, 1 square is 1499. Now for F. On F, we have 82 into 78 is equal to 80 plus 2 into 80 minus 2 is equal to 80 square minus 2 square. A plus B, A minus B, that is A square minus B square. 80 square is 6400. 2 square is 4, that is 6396. On G, 101 into 99. 101 into 99 is equal to 100 plus 1. 99, that is 100 minus 1. That is equal to 100 square minus 1 square. A plus B, A minus B equal to A square minus B square by using that formula. 100 square is 10,000. 1 square is 1. So 9,999. On X here, 103 into 97. 103 into 97. 103, that is 100 plus 3. 97, that is 100 minus 3. That is equal to 100 square minus 3 square. 100 square is 10,000. 3 square is 9. So 9,991. Now we go to question number 8. Question number 8. Yep. Let's find the area of the. Let's find the area of the shaded region using a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now its solution. Here on A we have b square which side 12 centimeter and sided part is this part is 3 centimeter. Now this is the sided part. Area of sided region equal to 12 square minus 3 square. This equal to 12 plus 3 into 12 minus 3 equal to 15 into 9. 9 5 are 45. Carry over 4, 9 plus 4, sorry, 135 centimeters. On B we have 18 and 5. Centimeter, this is also 5. This whole is 18 centimeter. This also 18 centimeter. Now this is sided part. Sided region. Area of sided region equal to 18 square minus 5 square. 18 plus 5 into 18 minus 5. 18 plus 5 that is 23. 18 minus 5 that is 30. 13 3 is 39. Carry over 3. 13 2 is 26 plus 3. 99. 99 centimeter square. For C 15 and 6. This is 15 meter and this is also 15 meter. And this is 6 meter. 6 meter. Area of this part is shaded part. Area of shaded region equal to 15 square minus 6 square. 15 plus 6 into 15 minus 6. 15 plus 6 21 into 15 minus 6 9. 9 1 the 9, 9 to the 18, so 189 centimeter square. Now for D. On D we have 24 and 10. 24 meter. Here is 10 meter. And say meter square unit is meter square. 24, 24, 10. This is also 24. And here is 10, 10. This is the shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to 24 square minus 10 square equal to 24 plus 10 into 24 minus 10 and 34 into 40. 34 into 40. Let's calculate this. 34 into 76 meter square. Now for E, 30 feet, 12 feet. Side of the square is 30 feet by 30 feet. For a small square, the side is 12 feet. 12 feet, 12 feet. This is the shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to 30 square minus 12 square. This is equal to 30 plus 12 into 30 minus 12. 30 plus 12, that is 42. 30 minus 12, that is 18. Now calculate this. 42 into 18. 756. Square feet. Now for up. The big square 40 meter by 40 meter. By 40 meter. This one is square 15 by 15. This outside part is shaded. Now area of shaded region equal to 40 square minus 15 square. Is equal to 40 plus 15 into 40 minus 15. 40 plus 15, that is 55 into 40 minus 15, that is 25. Let's calculate this. 55 into 25. 1375 meter square. Okay, students, this much for today. Have a nice time. See you soon.